Just recapping this breaking business news this hour, CBA's quarterly profits have fallen to $2.4 billion, seeing its net profits slide by 3%. Let's bring in Tom Petrovsky over at CommSec. Perhaps a sign of the times here, Tom.
Well, Pete, I suppose so, but it's all a matter of where these numbers lie in relation to the market's expectations. So that $2.4 billion quarterly profit, unaudited, the cash profit, relative to expectations, just a shade better than what the average of analysts' expectations was centered on. That was around $2.3 billion. Home loan arrears, that increased slightly up by about 9 basis points as well, and the expenses were up as well in the order of around 2%. So, look, give or take, these numbers are in line or slightly better than what the market would have expected. So it's in another important measure, of course, is what CBA shares have done in recent times. So they've actually had a pretty decent rally over the course of the last couple of weeks, given the fact that they had an extraordinary slide over the course of April. They were down by the best part of 5% in April, and in recent weeks so far in May, we've had that stock up by 4.5%. So it's neutralised the loss in April, in the early part of May. It's just a question of whether or not there's a catalyst in these numbers. There probably isn't to see the share prices move ahead on the upside. That is largely because the markets are now pensive, waiting for next week's inflation data. We've got inflation figures at home and in the United States. They'll provide important cues as to what the direction of interest rates might be in both jurisdictions over the course of the near term. And that is essentially what's going to keep these stocks, be it at home or elsewhere, in a holding pattern over the course of the next couple of days.
Okay, so today, a boost or a bump on the market?
No, we will kick off to the downside this morning, down by about 0.25%. So that's what the futures are telling us. There wasn't much to talk about in terms of the overall movement for US markets last night. They were very much in a holding pattern. The S&P 500 just in negative territory. The Nasdaq down by around 0.2%. One thing was clear in European trade, Pete, and that's that miners were on the outer. So the large miners like Anglo-American, BHP, they were down in the order of around 1 to 2%. So that might be a bit of a headwind as far as the local picture is concerned. The Aussie dollar's lost a bit of ground as well. It's trading around 65.7 US cents.
Okay, Tom Petrovsky, thank you.